Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I'm back home in Louisiana right now. I'm in my gym. I'm about to do a workout real quick. It is so gorgeous outside today. I've been saying I'm gonna vacuum out my car. Today is the day. I'm actually gonna do it. Like, I'm going to do it today because it's so pretty outside and I have the time. But let me just show you guys how pretty it is. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead, do a little workout real quick, vacuum out my car, hit a shower. Definitely gonna lay out when it gets a little warmer out. It is a little chilly at the moment, but it's supposed to warm up a good bit, so. Alright, I just got done with my workout. It kicked my butt. Okay, now I'm gonna go inside real quick, get a little bit of editing done, and then go out and enjoy the beautiful sun and get some vitamin D. So I'm about to lay out. I just came outside. I'm gonna eat some lunch out here because it's so nice. Like, love that. I don't even know if you guys can see me. It's so sunny. Anywho, I'm just trying to get a tan right now. It's so nice out. It's breezy, so it's not like super hot. The sun feels great. Excuse my hair, it's a mess. I literally threw it up so fast so I could just run out here and get in the sun. But me and Bo made these chocolate chip cookies the other day. Well, chocolate chip toffee cookies, and oh my god, they are amazing. These are the cookies that we made. There's only like 3 left because I keep eating them. I just got out the shower, but guys, I finally vacuumed my car and it looks so good. It looks like a brand new car now. So my mom ordered some new layout chairs and they just came in. These are so nice. They're huge. It's a few days later, but I actually put on makeup, you know, for once. I'm about to go to Starbucks, might get a coffee, and I really want a butter croissant, craving it, so I'm gonna go get that. And then I'm working at my grandparents' restaurant today to like help them out, and that's what I'm doing, so. Don't look at my hair, it looks terrible. We're going to get fajitas from my favorite place ever. They're doing like to-go stuff, so we're going to do that. I also look really like red. I've been laying out in the sun all day. I'm so greasy and I'm like covered in tanning oil and my hair is so oily from it. So we went and got Mexican food from my favorite place, and I got a sangria margarita, and it is so freaking bomb. They literally have the best fajitas I've ever had in my life. So if you're ever in Louisiana, go to La Carreta. It is thebomb.com. It's just too nice right now outside to not eat outside and drink my margarita, so that's what I am doing. Guys, the sky looks so pretty right now. I just came outside to feed my dogs and it just looks so gorgeous. Stunning. Also had the best dinner ever. I had chicken fajitas with queso, chips and salsa, sangria margarita. So good. Amazing. And I'm watching the sunset right now and it's just gorgeous. So I've been trying to get the lemon cake pops from Starbucks for like 2 months now, and they're like sold out every time I go. But we got them today and I cannot wait to try it. They look so pretty. What I did not miss about working the restaurant was crawfish. I freaking hate these things. Everybody makes fun of me because I'm from Louisiana and I don't eat crawfish. But one, I'm partly allergic to them, and two, I don't know, they creep me the heck out. Also, if you're ever in Louisiana and you want some good food, some good ice cream, come to Scoops. This ice cream is so good. It's brown butter bourbon truffle and it is amazing. Let me show you what it looks like. Wrong one. Like, oh, looks so good. Guys, so Olivia came to get soft serve ice cream.
And Brooke overflowed it.
Okay, I'm gonna cut that out because I don't want people to think I'm unprofessional here. Oh, lovely. Guys, I'm finally back home. And look what Bo surprised me with. How pretty are these flowers? They are so cute. And they smell phenomenal. And he had the house cleaned. And he has friends.
You know what we're on?
We were on like season 7, I think. Okay, maybe. And then we've got dinner made. We made, well, pretty much Bo made it, but it is pasta with vegetables, and we have some salads. And these are Bo's favorite drinks, so we're having some of these. They're so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.